Good day, I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive by data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can understand and speak English.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. Without a doubt, ma'am.
Are you sure that you don't? Okay, so do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, I don't have, ma'am.
Are you sure that you don't have?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am. I'm happy.
If you feel unwell or if you feel something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay? Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, I don't have any tattoos.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Okay, why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I choose Malaysia because I heard Malaysia is a safe for all OFW and has a good employers.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay, ma'am. Good day again, ma'am. I'm Eliza Marie Coderashona, 34 years of age. I was born on August 17, 1990. I'm a single mother with two daughters, ages of 15 and 11. I work, my work experience is in Kuwait for 4 years. I serve four members of the family, the husband, wife, and two children, ages 3 years old and 4 years old. My daily routine and responsibilities are I am taking care of the children. I'm preparing all every day their school belongings. Then I take them in the park every day after school. Then while their mother and father is not around, I see them every day. Then every morning also my madam is working. I help her also in her office belongings and preparing what clothes she will wear. Then I do household chores also. I clean all the areas of the house. I do laundry, ironing, and cook food only for the children.
Okay, thank you. So I would like to know some few more details from you first. Okay, what is your height and your weight?
I am 5 inches and two by height and 50 kilograms by weight.
What is your religion?
I am Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I am high school graduate, ma'am.
So who will going to take care of your kids once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is 62 years old. She's only a housewife.
What about your father?
They're already separated, mom.
Okay, so how many brother and sister do you have?
I only have one sister, mom, youngest sister.
So you are the eldest.
And that
Okay, so according to you, just a while ago, you have a working experience in Kuwait for 4 years, way back 2015 to 2019. You do the house chores, cooking, laundry, ironing, and you also take care of 3 and 4 years old children, is it?
yes, mom.
What happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
Um, because I stay when I go home, I stay. I didn't choose to go back there in Kuwait because I I am interested in Malaysia, mom, because there is no salary deduction and processing fee.
So,
And
so what happened? Why you stuck for almost 20, almost 6 years before you apply here in Malaysia? Because according to you, after you worked there in Kuwait 2019, you have a plan to work in Malaysia. So why it takes so long for you to apply here in Malaysia?
Uh, don't have plan yet, ma'am, because I want to stay with my family first, with my
Okay.
children.
So after 2019, you are a full-time mother or you have any working experience in Philippines?
I am only a full-time mother, mom.
Full-time mother. Then how come how you feed your children because you are a single mother?
I am doing small business, mom. I am online seller, mom.
Okay.
That's why that's the source of income, mom.
Okay.
That's my source.
So being an OFW or working as a domestic helper is not new for you already, okay?
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
a working experience in Kuwait, in Middle East, and you need to be multitasking, you need to be flexible. But of
Yes,
course, you cannot compare Kuwait and Malaysia because the reality of working here in Malaysia is quite different in Kuwait. Houses here is quite big and employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness, okay?
ma'am.
Okay, so are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. Anytime, ma'am. Any task.
Can you take care children or baby while doing house chores at the same time? Can you take care elderly people?
I don't have yet experience, ma'am, but I will try my best, ma'am.
Yes or no?
No, maybe no, ma'am. For
Can you
future
cook?
safety.
Okay, can you
Yes, ma'am. I
cook?
can.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare?
Filipino food and Arabic.
But you are willing to learn some new recipes.
Willing to learn, ma'am, new recipe.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you fight your homesickness? Like for example, if you miss your family, of course, you see you've been stuck in the Philippines and you've been working as an OFW again. And I know that homesickness will frequently attack you anytime, anywhere. How will you gonna handle it later?
I would make myself busy, or after my work, I will call them.
Okay, you will going to sign a 2 years contract and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating or breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours. But instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are
Okay.
entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. We are strictly no go out
Yes, ma'am.
policy here. Okay? But if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I agree, ma'am.
Okay, if you agree, then it's okay, fine, you can come, don't give us problem. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries, okay? Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children, most especially that you are a single mother, according to you. Do you have boyfriend right now? Yes
Have,
or
ma'am, but
no?
it's no problem.
There's no
Yes, ma'am.
problem. So you have boyfriend.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So always remind yourself like that. Okay, you come to work here and not to find some boyfriends here and not to mingle with others
I,
and not to meet with your friends at the same time. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
Yes,
connected
ma'am.
through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you so much and have a good day.